Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI, find the real DPI of your mouse. First, what we're going to do is click on the search icon beside the start icon or Windows icon, and we have to search for mouse settings. Here, click on mouse settings that pops up, and we click on additional mouse options, which may be at the right part of the screen or somewhere below here. We click on additional mouse options, and mouse properties should open up. From here, click on the pointer options tab and make sure that enhanced pointer position is turned off. If it is checked like this, click on the tick box to uncheck it and click on apply and OK. Now the next thing we're going to do is to open up your favorite browser and we're going to search for DPI Analyzer. Search for it and we have to scroll down on this page, and what we're looking for is the site that says mousesensitivity.com DPI Analyzer, which was the first search that came up for me. So just look for that site and click on it. Now the site is opened up. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's set our units to inches, and for the target distance we set it to 1. That would mean 1 inch. Now let's put our cursor at the red part, or this red cross right here on the ruler on the screen. And what we're going to do is to move our mouse 1 inch to the right on your mouse pad, not on the screen. So you have to look at your mouse pad and your mouse and move it to the right about 1 inch. So 1 inch is roughly the measurement from the top knuckle on your thumb to your thumb tip. So just estimate and move your mouse 1 inch to the right. And we're going to do that. So again, put your cursor at the red cross and we have to drag that 1 inch to the right on your mouse pad. We can try this 3 times and we can find the average of our mouse DPI. So I think mine is around 500, and you can try it and solve your average mouse DPI. And that is how you can basically check your mouse DPI using this site. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.